Is murder convict and former disgraced lawyer Alex Murdaugh going to get a murder retrial? That's the question in the air. Now, you may remember Alex. He killed his wife, he killed his son, got convicted of it. He also stole millions of dollars from injury victims and people who lost their lives in accidents. He's basically a scumbag. There's multiple Netflix specials about him that you can watch. What's the basis for the potential retrial? Well, the defense lawyers are arguing that Betty Hill, who was the clerk of court during this murder trial, she was responsible for helping the jury, she was responsible for showing exhibits to the jury, she was responsible for helping the judge during the 6-week trial. Well, she just got charged with 4 felony counts of misconduct. Now, she's got a pretty long ethics rap sheet. She has 76 counts of ethics violations against her in the county while she was in office. Obviously, she's no longer in office. She steps down, claiming it has nothing to do with any of those ethical violations. But 2 of those felony charges are extremely important. One of those charges relates to obstruction of justice and perjury for showing photographs to reporters which were sealed in envelopes that were only intended for the jury, and then lying about it, which is perjury. Now, do those 76 ethical violations in office and that misconduct that we just talked about and getting charged with those felonies mean there was jury tampering? The judge doesn't seem to think so, but the 132-page appeal filed by defense lawyers for Murdaugh argue that it's absolutely jury tampering and that there needs to be a retrial. Well, I don't know that that actually will happen in this case. What do you think?